Okay, so we're given this polynomial here, 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 4x plus 4. And what we need to do first is use the factor theorem to show that x minus 2 is a factor. So how do we go about that? Well, we know that if x minus 2 is a factor, then we know that x minus 2 equals 0. So therefore one value we can have is that x equals 2. So then what we do is we plug in the value 2 into this, and we want to find it equal to 0. So let's start with that. Let's go with 2 times 2 cubed minus 7 2 squared plus 4 times 2 plus 4. Okay, right, let's go one step at a time and just get these 2's calculated. So 2 cubed, that's 8. So 2 times 8 is 16. 2 squared is 4. 7 4's 28. 4 times 2, that's pretty straightforward, that's plus 8. And then plus 4. Okay, so 16 minus 28, that's minus 12. Plus 4 is minus 4. And plus 4 is 0. So this equals 0. So therefore we've shown that x minus 2 is a factor. So now that we know that x minus 2 is a factor, can we fully factor this out? So how are we going to go about that? So if we know x minus 2 is part of it, what we can do is do polynomial long division. So let's start with that. So x minus 2 into 2x cubed minus 7x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, so first of all we'll look at this 2x cubed, and this is what we're interested in for the moment. So to get to 2x cubed from x, we need 2x squared. So I'm going to write that above the x squared column. 2x squared times x gives us 2x cubed. So now we'll multiply this back out. So we get 2x cubed, and then multiply this by the minus 2 as well. So minus 4x squared. And then what we do is we subtract that from the ones on the top, on the line above. So 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, that's 0. And then minus, 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 that's minus plus, so it's just still minus. So 7x squared minus 4x squared gives us plus 3x squared. So gives us minus 3x squared. Allow me to put that correct there. Okay. Yeah, let's just check that. Minus 7 plus 4 is minus 3. Okay, so now we're left with minus 3x squared. So how are we going to get to minus 3x squared from x? So therefore we need to multiply this by minus 3x. So minus 3x. Now same again, push that back through to this whole term here. So minus 3x times x minus 2. That will give us minus 3x squared. And minus 3x times the minus 2, that will give us plus 6x. Okay, so let's just bring that down here. So now what we're going to do, we're going to subtract these off. So minus 3x squared minus 3x squared, let's put that minus there. That gives us 0. So it's minus 3 plus 3x squared, that's 0. 4x minus 6x. So 4x minus 6x, that gives us minus 2x. Okay. Right, minus 2x to get from x. We need minus 2 as a factor. So that's minus 2. And then minus 2 multiplied through, that gives us minus 2x. And minus 2 times minus 2 is plus 4. And again, we're going to subtract these off. So minus 2x minus minus 2x, that's minus 2x plus 2x, that's 0. And then the 4 minus plus 4, that is also 0. So therefore we have no remainder. So therefore what we have is x minus 2, 2x squared minus 3x minus 2. Okay, still not fully factored out. We're nearly there, but we just need to factor this one out and then we're good. So we're going to have a 2x and we're going to have an x. And then we want factors multiplied out to minus 2. So we need a plus and a minus. And when they're added, they need to come to minus 3. So if we put plus 1 here and a minus 2 here, let's see what we get. 2x times x, 2x squared. 2x times minus 2, that's minus 4x. But we have a plus x here, so that's minus 3x. And plus 1 times minus 2 is minus 2. So this is good. So then we get x minus 2, 2x plus 1, x minus 2. Okay, that's us factored out. See, we've got 2 repeated here, so we could also say x minus 2 squared, 2x plus 1. Okay, and either of these will be good for the answer. Okay, thanks for watching.